Assalamualaikum et bonjour. Today, we are going to look at our grammar point, which is la négation. What does it mean, la négation? La négation is a negative sentence. Okay, I'm going to give you an example in English. I am not Malaysian. Okay, am not, the not. Okay, now another example is I don't live in Paris. Okay, that is what we call sentence in la négation. Okay, now let's look at how we transform a positive sentence like I am Malaysian to a negative sentence which is like I am not Malaysian. Now, in la négation, you need to have two things here in French. The first one is ne, and then you have pas. So it means not, okay? Tidak. Okay. And in between these two words, you have to put a verb. Okay? Alright? Alright. That will be the rule for la négation in French. Now, let's look at the first sentence here. We have here, je suis Arissa. Well, we have seen this sentence before. Remember? Okay. Now, what does it mean? It means I am Arissa. Okay, now first, let's identify the verb in the sentence. Okay, the verb in the sentence is suis, am. Okay, it means am. And in French, suis comes from the verb être, verb to be. Okay, so suis here is the verb. So, based on the rule given here, you need to put ne and pas between the verb. So now you have je ne suis pas Arissa. Okay? Now, je suis Arissa means I am Arissa. And je ne suis pas Arissa means I am not Arissa. Okay? Just remember, you have to put ne and pas. And most importantly, in between ne and pas, you have to put the verb. Okay, that will be the first rule for la négation in French. Now, let's move to the second rule. Alright. Now, we have here la négation, but just a little bit of twist here. Now, you still have ne pas, but not ne here, as you can see, is an apostrophe, but still you have pas. And in between you put the verb, okay? Now, be careful. When a verb starts with a vowel A, E, I, O, U, Y, and H, like what we have here, habite. Okay? Now, we have seen the sentence, j'habite à Kuala Lumpur. It means, I live in Kuala Lumpur. Now, this is a positive sentence. We are going to change to la négation. So, you have to put ne and pas. But you cannot put ne. Instead, you put an apostrophe because habite, which means to live. Well, it comes from the verb habiter in French. It starts with the vowel H. Now, because the verb starts with vowel H, okay, based on this rule, okay, it has to use an apostrophe and pas. So that's why la négation is je n'habite pas à Kuala Lumpur. So from j'habite à Kuala Lumpur, it becomes je n'habite pas à Kuala Lumpur. Okay? Now, let's look at other examples. Okay, we have here la négation, je suis malaisien. Now, je suis malaisien. Now, let's make it right. Je suis malaisien. Okay, all right. Now, you have here, je suis Malaisien. Well, what does it mean, je suis Malaisien? I am Malaysian. Now, first identify the verb. Yes, you are right. Suis is the verb. And it comes from the verb être. It means verb to be. Okay. So now, you put ne pas in between suis. So it becomes je ne suis pas Malaisien. All right. Okay. Now, être comes from the verb to be. All right. So, from je suis Malaisien, it becomes je ne suis pas Malaisien. From I am Malaysian, it becomes I am not Malaysian. Now, let's look at the other example. Okay. If we may write now. Well, okay. Now, before that, all right. Now, let's look at this example. Normally. Okay. Now, here you have il parle malais. What does it mean, il parle malais? Parle here is a verb. It comes from the verb parler. Parler means to speak. Okay. Now, we are going to transform this sentence to la négation. Before that, il parle malais means he speaks Malay. Now we are going to say he doesn't speak Malay. So what we do, we put ne and pas between the verb parle. So it becomes il ne parle malais. Alright? Now let's move to the next one. Okay, we have here je comprends. Je comprends. Now, normally verb is placed after the subject. Je is obviously a subject and comprend is definitely a verb in French. And comprend means to understand. It comes from the verb comprendre. To understand. So, je comprends means I understand. To change to la négation, you put ne and pas. In between the verb, it becomes je ne comprends pas. Je comprends becomes je ne comprends pas. Okay? Now, let's move to the next sentence. Examples we have here. Je sais. Now, after the subject is a verb, and verb is sais. Okay, sais comes from the verb savoir. Savoir means to know. So, this sentence actually means je sais means I know. So, we're going to change to la négation. So, it becomes je ne sais pas because we have to put ne and pas between the verb. So, it becomes je ne sais pas. I don't know. Well, as I mentioned earlier, there are two rules. The first one, we put ne and pas between the verb. The second one is you put an apostrophe and pas for the verb which starts with the vowel A, E, I, O, U, Y, and H. Now let's look at this example. There are two verbs here. Well, the first verb is aime. Aimes come from the verb aimer. It means to love or to like. Now obviously, aimer starts with the vowel A. So that's why we use an apostrophe and pas here. So la négation, now before that, j'aime le film means I like movie. I love the movie, okay? So you want to say, I don't like the movie. So it becomes from j'aime le film to je n'aime pas le film. Now the last example is vous êtes française. Now it means vous êtes française means you are French. Okay? Now, you are French. Now, which is the verb? After the subject is a verb. So, être is the verb. It comes from the verb être, verb to be. So, Vous êtes française means you are French, but which French? French lady. So now you're going to change to you are not French. It has to be an apostrophe and pas, and it becomes vous n'êtes pas française. Alright? Well, that pretty much sum up our lesson today. So remember, whenever you have la négation, you put ne, verb and the pas, or an apostrophe, verb and pas. Now let's look at the last. Let's look at this. Alright, so you have here, je suis Arissa becomes je ne suis pas Arissa. You use ne and pas. And the second one, you use an apostrophe and pas because the verb starts with a vowel A, E, I, O, U, Y, and H. Well, bon courage, merci beaucoup et au revoir.